Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Toyota Land Cruiser. We did unbox the Land Cruiser in this cream color back then. So this is 3 out of 5 in this particular series, and this is a hot silver line series which is 299. That's MRP. Don't buy it for more than MRP. A lot of people are asking me over comments, I'm getting some mainline for 500 rupees or 400 rupees. Is it worth it? Again, I'm saying this, I will say this again over and over again. It is not worth more than MRP. It doesn't matter whatever car that is. So don't buy it for more than MRP. So yeah, so with that said, let me just unbox this one. Okay, here it is. Okay, so let me just show you the card art ones. Here it is. The card art looks really cool. I mean, even if you are getting the same casting in a different brand, you can just cut this out and you can keep this as a background for that one. So let's see how this one looks. Okay, so the casting looks really solid. The color is really nice. I mean, it's very retro if you ask me. And you can see the detailing here on the hood. It does have a little bit of, I don't know. Okay, this is something common for this type of castings, the Zamak castings and all. So Zamak is just the material, right? They will paint on top of it. So please be aware aware of that. So if you are getting a Zamak version of a car, which means it is not painted, that's it. Just it's just a raw, just the body with just a clear coat. That's it. That's what you are getting. Okay. So with that said, it has headlight details here. The indicator lamps here, and you can see the detailing here, which is used to pull the truck. Okay. So this piece is plastic here on the rear. Okay, it has rear view mirror on the one side, which is really nice, and it has tail light details as well. You can see the Toyota logo along with the 4x4 logo as well. Okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. So the rims are really nice. Okay, this is the same rims they used for what is that one? Yeah, the Toyota Tacoma. So this actually looks really good compared to the one which we see in Tundra, but that one rolled really well. Okay, so one more thing is this part, the black part in this bed, this is plastic, that is not metal. And so it has interior detailing to it, but it is not really that visible, at least to me. Maybe for you guys it might be a bit visible. The livery looks really simple. It does look really nice. Okay, it feels a bit heavy, and you can see the door handle here, detailing here. That is actually embossed and painted on top of it. So that is really good. Okay, so let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 35 grams. That's actually a bit lesser compared to even the Tundra. Okay, let's see if this fits the track. Yeah, it does fit the track. Let's see. Let's roll. Wow, that does roll really nice. Let me do one thing. Let me just pull this a little bit closer so that it won't fall down. Okay, it does roll really nice. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. Again, I don't see any issues with this casting so far. Let me just have a quick look. Okay, one more thing I missed to say. It has some exhaust detailing here, which is really nice. So it is a good casting, a solid casting. So I would give this casting a 10 out of 10. So yeah, if you guys are able to get this one, go ahead and get this entire set, to be honest. Because let me just but I need to review rest of the two castings in this 5-piece set. So but as of now, I would recommend, if you guys are a fan of in general, any Japanese brand, or in are a fan of Toyota, more specifically on the trucks. So my suggestion would be go ahead and get this set, because that does look really nice. The card art looks really nice, and so far, the three which we unboxed, I don't see any issues with it. So maybe with that Tacoma, the only the grill details, those are missing, but apart from that, I don't see much of an issue. So rest is up to you guys. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.